Unlock the potential of Google's game-changing AI video generator, Veo 3. Without spending a dime, let's explore how. First, keep a close eye on Google's official announcements. They occasionally offer free trials or promotional periods for new products like Veo 3 to generate initial and user feedback, so regularly check the Google AI blog and their social media channels. Next, investigate educational programs and research initiatives. Google often partners with universities and research institutions, providing free access to advanced AI tools like Veo 3 for academic purposes if you're a student or researcher. Explore if your institution has a partnership or offers access. Another potential avenue is to participate in Google's AI-related competitions or challenges. Winning these events can sometimes grant access to premium Google AI services, including early access to models like Veo 3 chat platforms like Kaggle. For relevant competitions, look for public demos or showcases. Google may organize events where they demonstrate Veo 3 and allow attendees to experiment with the tool for free, even if it's for a limited time or with restricted features. Be cautious of unofficial sources claiming to offer free Veo 3 access. These are often scams or may distribute compromised software. Always rely on Google's official channels for legitimate access. Remember, free access often comes with limitations, such as usage quotas or restricted features. So understand these constraints before diving in. Good luck exploring the power of Veo 3.